This is a super quick video on how to build a stock tank pool. I have the longer detailed version of this on my channel, so head over there if you want more. There's all different kinds of stock tanks and pumps you can get, and this method will work on all of them. I do have the pool pump link listed in the description of this video. But real quick though, I have to use this intro again because the comments on my longer video were gold. Trigger warning. Welcome to our brand new stock tank pool. And I'm going to show you how to make one. The first thing you'll need is the tank, obviously. Then the items not included with the pool pumps are the 2 plunger valves, a 2 3/4 inch hole saw, and an intake filter. The pump should come with the hoses and the outflow. As for the prep work, you'll definitely want a level space for this because it'll be really hard to get it level later when there's water in it. So clean it all up, check the level, and then add dirt or paver sand to raise it up to where you need it, and then level it all out again. The next step is to clean it out and add a couple of inches of water to check for leaks before you start drilling into this thing. Now bust out the hole saw and drill a hole towards the lower portion of the tank somewhere. This will be where your inlet will be. Then drill a hole towards the upper part of the tank and put on the outflow. And this whole process is for the water circulation. While I didn't show it well here, I loaded these things up with caulk underneath the inlets and all around them. Make sure it's 100% waterproof caulk, don't skip out on some cheap junk here. Before filling the tank up with more water, screw on the plunger valves. Again, links to these are down in the description. These make it where you can change the filter without pouring water out of the pool.
24 hours later.
After the caulk dries for 24 hours, you're good to fill her up. And then attach the hoses at any point now. No water will come out with the plunger valves installed. When hooking up the hoses to the tank, the outflow connects to the tall stack and the intake goes on the other part of the pump. Then just wait until it fills up with water, get your chlorine dispenser, and get your floaties because you are all set. And that's how you build a stock tank pool.